Good morning and welcome to a new video. And today I'm going to take a walk into the town centre and have a look at all the demolition process that's demolition progress that's going on. And well, I'm going to separate into 3 different videos really, because there's a lot of demolition work going on recently around Blackpool, and there's a few places I've not really been taking much look at, so I'm going to go around, take a look, see what's been going on, and yeah, hope you all stay tuned. And I'll first of all go to the social club, which is near the former odeon building. Yeah, first of all, as you can see, there's quite a few coaches about. Yeah, there's quite a few indeed. But yeah, we're going to cut through this car park and cut underneath the cut down onto Rigby Road and go up towards the social club. So yeah, just down this path here, we've got Rigby Road, got McDonald's there just in front of us, got the health club and spa, got the former Odeon building, which we'll take a look at, and we've got a Starbucks drive-through, and just behind that we've got the Club 3000 bingo hall. Yeah, so today is probably more likely going to be my last day of filming around Blackpool for a week or two, because I'm going away. So I'll be doing some videos of my holiday probably. Get some footage of that. See how things go. Here I go into Skeggy Nets. What do we call that? Well, yeah, that'll be a holiday. But yeah, Skeggy Nets. Going to a Haven resort, so yeah, watch this space. I'll be doing some videos on that. Yeah, this is the former Odeon building. Not entirely sure what they're actually doing with it though. Just over there you got the old social club. I think half a job might have been around. So it looks like they've taken all the machinery away. Also, they're doing all the other projects first before they start this, because this is just something that happened pretty much overnight, and they've got rid of the most of the dangerous bits away. Still looks like it's ready for collapsing now. And there they're piling bricks up. A bit more of a different angle. And these fences here aren't really going to stop anyone from trying to jump them. Probably will injure yourself. That's health and safety, that I'm pretty sure it is. Wow. So yeah, there's someone just started talking to me. Apparently he knows the person that owns it or something. Apparently 2 lads have been arrested on suspicion of arson. Not sure how true it is. This day and age, you just take gossip as a pinch of salt, don't you, till you start hearing facts. Yeah, it's alright, so it speaks for itself. Question is, like, can you get around all this fencing? Anyway, I'm going to end that video there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in my next video. So for now, take care, peace out.